Hello, my name is John Wingeter with the Council on Aging of Buncombe County.
Hi, I'm JACLYN KIGER with Pisgah Legal Services.
And we're here to tell you about the Affordable Care Act and the open enrollment period that's going to begin on November the 15th.
We know that a lot of people in our community have questions about the Affordable Care Act, how it affects you, and what information that you need to know. So we'd like to take a little time today to talk about some of those common questions and give you the information that you need so that you and your family can make informed decisions about the Affordable Care Act.
So Jackie, we've heard a lot about these penalties. What are the penalties if somebody does not have health insurance?
Well, if you don't have health insurance and you don't qualify for an exemption from having health insurance, then you may be facing a penalty when you file your taxes. So let's start with the first year of open enrollment. When you file your taxes for the calendar year 2014, the penalties, if you don't have health insurance, are as follows and are as up on your screen. It's $95 per adult who is uninsured, half of that per child who is uninsured, or 1% of your taxable household income, whichever is greater. And that's really what we want to emphasize for folks. There's been a lot of coverage about the flat fee penalty, but the 1% of the household income, if that's greater, that's maybe what a family would have to pay. And that would be reduced from their refund when they file their taxes. Moving into 2015, you can see on the screen that the penalties increase greatly. It's $325 per adult who is uninsured, or 50% of that per child, or 2% of your taxable household income, whichever is greater. And then in 2016, the penalty increases even more. It goes up to $695 per uninsured adult, half of that per child, or 2.5% of household income, whichever is greater. Those are the penalties that people will face if they don't have health insurance. But what I do want to note is that there are caps on how much you would pay in those penalties. There's a cap on the flat fee penalty that I mentioned, but also when you talk about the percentage of income that you could be penalized, that will always be capped at a national level for a basic bronze plan, which the federal government will determine.
So basically, you would never be penalized more than the lowest cost of health insurance that's available to you, right, Jackie?
That's right, John.
If you have further questions or need more information on this topic, feel free to call the Council on Aging of Buncombe County, or
also feel free to contact Pisgah Legal Services, and you can reach both of us through the toll-free statewide phone number at 855-733-3711, which is on your screen now.
And another important aspect of that, Jackie, is the fact that as navigator agencies, we are unbiased. We do not represent any insurance company, nor are we selling any product. Our responsibility is to help the consumer understand what the process is, help them understand the health insurance benefits that are available to them, and guide them through the enrollment process.